Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because today's video is going to blow your mind. We're talking about AI agents that will dominate 2025. From crypto AI to text to video AI, the next generation of AI tools is set to revolutionize industries, automate workflows and reshape how we interact with technology. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. AI isn't just evolving, it's taking over. In 2025, we're going to see AI agents that go beyond automation. These aren't just chatbots or simple assistants. These are intelligent, self-learning systems that can automate entire business operations, generate high-quality video content from text, predict and execute crypto trades, think, adapt and make decisions like never before. So, let's dive into the top AI agents that will dominate 2025. Auto-GPT and Baby AGI. The autonomous powerhouses, these AI agents are changing the game by self-improving and executing multi-step tasks with little human intervention. Businesses are already using them for automated research, coding and business strategy planning. In 2025, expect them to become even more powerful, automating tasks that once required entire teams. Crypto AI agents. Smarter trading and analysis AI-powered crypto trading bots are getting more intelligent, analyzing real-time data and market sentiment. Projects like Numerai and AI-driven hedge funds are already leading the way in AI-based trading. By 2025, expect these agents to manage entire investment portfolios, executing trades faster and more accurately than humans. Text to video AI. The future of content creation platforms like Pika Labs, Runway ML and OpenAI Sora are pushing AI-powered video generation to new heights. You'll be able to type a script and instantly generate high-quality, realistic video content. This will be huge for YouTubers, marketers and businesses looking to scale content production effortlessly. AI agents for work and productivity. Think of AI that manages your entire workflow, from scheduling meetings to writing reports. Microsoft's Copilot, Google's Gemini and Notion AI are already leading this space, and by 2025 they'll be even smarter. These AI agents will allow businesses to automate routine tasks, saving time and money like never before. AI agents in healthcare and customer support. AI in healthcare is growing fast. Expect AI agents that can diagnose diseases, provide medical consultations, and even assist in surgeries. In customer support, AI chatbots will become more human-like, understanding context, emotion, and intent better than ever before. This AI revolution isn't just about cool technology, it's about real-world impact. Businesses, creators, and even individual users will have access to AI agents that enhance productivity, create content, and make money. The question is, are you ready for it? Alright, that's a wrap. Now, I want to hear from you. Which AI agent do you think will dominate 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget, this is part of our AI playlist, so make sure to check out the other videos for a full deep dive into AI's future. More epic content is on the way, so hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.